I came down here to look for a warehouse party on, and I found this amazing piece of land. We've been doing the city centre location for the past 7 years. Last year we kind of outgrew it. We wanted to change everything.
The conference is really what we say is the heartbeat of Sound City. While the festival is all about promoting emerging artists and bigger artists as well, but allowing them to have exposure to music fans and music industry, the conference is really what underpins that, and it's where all the people that are from the music business and from the wider creative business as well can come together and meet each other, and also to learn and have dialogue with each other really. Yeah, we're just really delighted because we've got a lot of people that have been in the business for a long time, but we've also got lots of new young faces as well.